In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 6, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Auto Brightness shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that adaptive brightness is enabled. But you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display section. Following that, tap on Brightness Level and click on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!